So today in this video, we'll be covering Shasta's pool care division, what we do for you, and how we keep your pool balanced and clean to be able to use year round. And also how much this is gonna cost you. Hi, I'm Brock Falk. I'm the field manager here at Shasta Pools for the service and repair division. I've been in the pool industry for a little over 7 years, and we have grown to servicing 600 pools a month since October 2023. So what is pool care? Here at Shasta, our pool care division, we do 5 things when we are in your yard. We brush your pool, net the top and bottom, empty all baskets, including skimmer and pump baskets, balance your chemicals and inspect your equipment for any issues. We service residential pools, but we also service semi-commercial, whether it's apartments or condo complexes. Also here at Shasta, we use an app called Pool Brain. It requires our techs to do before and after pictures of your pool, as well as pictures of your baskets emptied, what we've tested your chemicals at, what we've balanced your pool at, and what your PSI pressure is on your filter. Anybody who has a pool that is unable to maintain it themselves or would rather not have to take care of a pool. And this does include anybody who does not have a pool built by Shasta. We are very trained and knowledgeable when it comes to the Shasta built pools, but with our experience and training, our techs can take care of any pool, whether it was built by us or one of our competitors. Another good fit for Shasta Pool Care is many people here in the Valley, it's either their first home, a second home, or a vacation home. If you're out of town, you're out of state, you get updated reports weekly with how your pool looks. And if you're gone for the winter and you come back in the summer, your pool will be ready to swim at any time when you get back. You may not be a good fit for Shasta Pool Care if you do not have a in-ground built pool with plumbing and attachments underneath the ground. If it is an above ground pool that has no plumbing underground, or an above ground spa that does not have separate equipment from it, we are unable to maintain those, as those take completely different chemicals than our in-floor pool that we are trained, certified, and taken care of. You may not be a good fit for Shasta Pool Care if you were looking for the cheapest, easiest service to provide on your pool. Here at Shasta, we are not the cheapest, but we are not the most expensive. We believe in taking care of your pool to make sure that it's sanitary and safe. All of our techs are CPO certified. CPO stands for Certified Pool Operator. So we know the balancing that is needed so it doesn't hurt you or anybody else in the environment. We send you the weekly reports so you know exactly what's going on with your pool. Each week we are on site. So when is the best time to sign up for pool care service for your pool? Really, year round. We take care of pools from summer to winter. We don't freeze. We're not like the East Coast or Midwest. We don't shut down pools. The one thing I would encourage, be prepared before spring. When you call us between March to May, we're getting hundreds of calls a day. We're getting hundreds of requests to service pools. We don't ever want you to wait or a pool go green while you're waiting for service. Call us early. Get us in there in the winter. Get us in there in the middle of summer, end of summer, anytime. Just understand we do get busy. The pool season comes. You want to be ready to swim when that summer hits. So how much does Shasta Pool Care cost? Here at Shasta, the Pool Care division, we do have 2 packages to choose from. We have the Cares package, which starts at $155 a month. That includes our 5 steps that we do at every pool: the brushing, netting, balancing the chems. It includes the chems for the balancing, emptying the baskets, as well as inspecting your equipment. Then we have our Elite package. It starts at $205 a month. It includes everything the Cares package does, but more. We include additional testing for phosphates, calcium, cyanuric acid. We also include 2 filter cleans a year, as well as 4 salt cell cleanings and up to 2 baskets or gaskets if they are damaged. And that's the starting price. It can increase depending on size and landscape. And now, how do you sign up for Shasta Pool Care? There's 3 ways to get a hold of us. You can give us a call Monday through Friday. You can email us anytime, or there's our online form that you can fill out and we'll reach out to you and get you set up.